Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to earn money on Quora. Quora is not just a platform for getting answers, it can also be a source of income. In this video, we'll explore different methods and strategies to monetize your Quora presence. So, let's dive right in. Let's talk about the Quora Partner Program. This is where you can directly earn money from Quora. The program will pay you based on the performance of your questions and answers. The partner program called Space Creation. Click on Get Started. Now, select your country here. There are 3 methods on how you can make money on Quora. First one is Space Subscription. Second one is Quora Revenue Sharing. We are not gonna use both methods to monetize our space. There is a best way to monetize your space, which is Ad Revenue Sharing. Skip the first 2 methods by clicking on Skip the Program. Enable the last method by clicking Enable Now, which is Ad Revenue Sharing. Now, click on Go to My Space. Congratulations! You successfully monetize your space. Scroll down to check if your space has been monetized or not. Here is the new option showing, which is called Earning. Click on Earning, where you can see your earning status. You will be able to withdraw your money through filling the gap by reaching $10. Here you have to add your bank details to receive the money you earned. You need to build a following on Quora. The more followers you have, the more exposure your answers and content will get. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to earn money on Quora. Remember, it takes time and dedication to build a strong presence and start earning, but it's absolutely possible. Be authentic, provide value, and stay engaged with the Quora community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.